Hello, I am Bindu from Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a headband just like this one. It is just a simple 2-row repeat. Let us start making it. I am going to use Bernat Handicrafter cotton yarn. So get a slip stitch on the hook. Now we are going to make chain 10. 1, 2, 3. First multiple of 3. 4, 5, 6. Then we make 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our foundation chain. It's a multiple of 3 plus 4. Then on the 5th chain from hook, we are going to make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. This loop on the hook is not considered as a stitch. So the next one is the first. 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We are going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops, then yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops. That's the double crochet. So 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet. Then we skip 2 chains and make another double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. This will be the width of your headband up to here. So it is a little over 2 inches. So now we have only 2 more stitches. So in the last stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. So the unworked chain 3 in here is a double crochet, considered as a double crochet. Then we have a chain 1. Then here also in the end of the row also we have a chain 1 and a double crochet. Now we are going to make chain 3. Then we turn our work and going to work in this chain 1 space between these 2 double crochets. We are going to make a bobble stitch. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops. We have 2 loops on the hook. Then again yarn over, insert the hook in the same chain 1 space, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the next 2 loops. We have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. So we yarn over hook and go through all the 4. Then we make chain 1. Then do 1 more bobble stitch. Yarn over hook, I'll say it one more time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. Again one more time, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops, first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over hook and we are going through all the 4 loops. Then we are going to do the same thing in the next chain 1 space. One time, then yarn over hook, go through 2 loops, Then again yarn over hook, bring up the loop, yarn over hook and go through the remaining two loops, first two loops. Then we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, bring up the loop and yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops. We have 4 loops on the hook. Now we are going to yarn over and go through all the 4 loops all at once. Then we make chain 1. Then again we are making another bobble stitch. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over hook and go through all the 4 loops at once. Now that is completed. Now we go to 1, 2, 3, this third chain. Now we can do like in the loop, say this loop, we can go and make a double crochet, yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through the first 2 loops on the hook, then again yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Now our double crochet is done. That is, we did 2 rows. Row 1 is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2 stitches, then make another double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and in the row 2 we make 1 bobble stitch, chain 1, bobble stitch. Then we go to the next chain 1 space and make bobble stitch, chain 1, bobble stitch. From now on we are working in the chain 1 spaces between the stitches. So to get the height we are going to make chain 3, turn the work, repeat row 1, that is double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. That was done on the chain 1 space between these 2 bobble stitches. Now we find the chain 1 space between these 2 bobble stitches, see here. So we make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Then we go here, we have this double crochet here, so make a double crochet on top of the double crochet. Now again we are going to repeat row 2. So chain 3, turn the work, then make bobble stitch, 2 and 3, then yarn over hook and go through all the 4 loops, then chain 1, then 1 more bobble stitch, then go to the next chain 1 space, this is the first bobble stitch, then we do a chain 1, then we make 1 more bobble stitch in the same chain 1 space. Now we make a double crochet in the loop space. Now you can stop the video and repeat the pattern and finish whatever length you need for your headband. My head is like a 21 inches. I am going to make it like a little over 20 inches for this one. Even though I said I will be making it up to 20 inches, I decided to go for this much length. It's, see, it has a stretch even though it is cotton, so it is almost like 20 inches, not over 20. I'm sorry, I have the wristband. It is to support my wrist. I have a pain over there. Then chain 3 here. Then I'm going to skip this stitch, and here another double crochet. Then going to make a double crochet between those 2 double crochets, sorry. Then in the last stitch make another double crochet, so we have 4 double crochets. Now I'm going to make chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and going to make a treble crochet in the last loop here, the chain 4 loop. I'll show you how to make the treble one more time. That is yarn over hook 1 time, 2 time. Then insert the hook in that loop. Then bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops. Then yarn over hook and go through the 2 loops again. Then yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops. Now that is done. Now we make a chain 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now we do turn the work, and on the second chain from hook we are going to make a slip stitch. Insert the hook, bring the yarn up, then go through the loop on the hook. Again slip stitch in the next stitch, and go all the way up to here. Now we did all the way up to here, then we go inside that loop, then make a chain, and we can cut the yarn. All that is left is weave this yarn tail through all the way here, then hide it behind these stitches. Now we go to the other side. Okay, it's like this. So this is the finished headband. You can see that I didn't block it. You can block it by soaking in the water, then squeeze out all the water, then pin it on some foam board to get the shape. I used to steam most of my crocheted work to block them. I used to steam most of my crocheted work to block them. If you enjoyed making this headband with me, you can support my Skein-by-Skein Yarn Fund over on Ko-fi. I have uploaded the PDF pattern for this project there, and it is a pay what you want download. Every bit helps me buy more yarn for our next tutorial. Thank you.